Did you know you can earn free crypto? And I promise this is not using mining or staking or anything like that. And did I mention that it's completely free? Meaning without the need of a single penny as an investment? Have I now made crypto a whole lot more interesting for you now? Buying when prices are low and selling when prices are high is a no-brainer in crypto. There are many excellent cryptocurrency exchanges and platforms for that. Some also take a more technical route in mining crypto. Both these methods are extremely risky as crypto prices can sway like anything with just an Elon Musk tweet. However, I'm here to tell you about a surefire way to pocket some of them without spending anything. For now, let's dive right into it. Number 1. Coinbase. There are many cryptocurrencies, and at Coinbase you can learn about some of these crypto projects while earning a few tokens yourself. It's as simple as it sounds. Earn while you learn. The only downside is that you may not fulfill some of the eligibility terms unless you relocate to a different country. So this program is for selected countries, and Coinbase is trying to add more as we speak. Number 2. Freecash. Freecash partners with advertisements and research companies which incentivize performing certain tasks. You can complete these location-specific offers and surveys to grab free cryptocurrencies. Alternatively, one can utilize Freecash earned coins as gift cards or even Counter-Strike Global Offensive skins. Some other features are instant crypto cash out starting at just 10 cents, playing games and completing other tasks, and earn more than $20 per day on average on Freecash. For instance, this was a survey with the reward amount mentioned on the top right corner. Sign up is extremely simple, guys. You can use your Google or Stream account, and you can also register by email to get started. Join using my referral link and receive a free case as a welcome bonus in which you can win up to $250. Link is in the description below, guys. One more thing, they have a useful FAQ section that I highly recommend reading up before signing up. Number 3. Coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap has a similar learn and earn program for crypto enthusiasts, but it gets one step ahead of Coinbase since it has quizzes to verify your knowledge. In addition, it's not about your qualification. You have to score a perfect 100% to earn crypto for free. There may also be specific tasks associated with your course. Unfortunately, CoinMarketCap also restricts participation from a few listed countries. Bear in mind, this program functions on a first-come, first-served basis. So, the users will not receive the tokens after the pre-decided distribution amount dries up. Number 4. Brave. Guys, this one is my favorite. Brave rewards are by far the easiest way to earn free crypto. Just use the Brave web browser with Brave rewards turned on. You can start using rewards to earn free basic attention tokens or BAT without doing anything special like a course or a game. Originally, Brave started it to support the creators that users love. You could tip them on their websites. But now you can also cash in those rewards by verifying your Brave wallet. If you get tipped, you can get up to 70% of your ad revenue. While the net amount may not be significant, it adds to the perks of using an excellent privacy-respecting browser that Brave is. In addition, there isn't any targeted advertising. You won't see ads inspired by your browsing history. Number 5. LunrCrush. LunrCrush is a platform that brings all the crypto talk from the entire internet to you. It collects all the mentions any crypto gets and presents so that you don't miss anything trendy. And Lunar is the crypto token that you can earn for free by engaging on LunrCrush. There are points for every activity: account sign up, connecting to Twitter, referrals, and every minute that you spend on LunrCrush. While your individual activity helps you to earn free crypto, it also depends on the other participants as well, because the platform distributes a set 65,000 Lunar each day, which is worth over $10,000 at the time of this recording. So you get based on your share of the interactions against all the activities by all the other users. Finally, you can check the Lunar that you've earned from your respective LunrCrush account and transfer it into the associated crypto wallet. You can check out how Lunar works for more details. Number 6. Presearch. Presearch is a project that came up from Search privately. It's a community-powered search engine that uses blockchain technology. This essentially means that it's run by nodes operated by Presearch users. You can visit Presearch and enter your search term to get started. It's as easy as that. But you should create your account for collecting pre-tokens. The Presearch browser extension lets you use Presearch directly from the address bar. You can withdraw once you've collected 1,000 pre-tokens, and you can check this in your Presearch wallet. Join using my referral link and get a welcome bonus. Link is in the description below. So, that was my roundup on how you can earn free crypto in 2022. There's everything for everyone, learners or professionals. Personally, I feel the Brave rewards and Presearch stands out the most if you're short on spare time. I have made Brave my default browser and Presearch my default search engine across all of my devices. Guys, one more thing before we go. I will be dropping videos just like this on my channel. If you're interested in them, then hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss when my new videos drop. Crypto is my passion and I love making these videos for you guys. I would highly appreciate it if you could give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. For now, my name is Adnan Arif and it's been a pleasure explaining to you 6 ways how you can earn free crypto in 2022.